How to change Facebook name using the latest Facebook app. If you're looking for an easy way to update your Facebook profile name, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app and tap your profile picture button. Now, tap the menu icon to open Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, look for Meta Account Center and tap it. From here, select Profiles, then choose your Facebook profile. Now tap Name. Here, you can enter your new first name, middle name, or last name. Once you've entered the name you want to use, tap Review Change. Facebook will show you how your new name will appear on your profile. Select the name format you prefer, then enter your Facebook password if required. Finally, tap Save Changes to confirm. And that's it. Your Facebook name has now been updated. Keep in mind that Facebook may limit how often you can change your name, and the name you choose should follow Facebook's naming requirements. If this tutorial helped you change your Facebook name, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Facebook tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.